Do you see how hiding behind this mask makes it difficult for you to know who I am and what I do? Are you unintentionally hiding from your ideal clients? You know, with all the problems going on right now, there's a great opportunity if you take the right action at the right time. Hi, I'm Dr. Ross Carter. Right now, more than ever before, you have an opportunity to position yourself as the go-to authority for your specialty. How? Well, let me explain. After being in practice for the last 24 years, when it comes to marketing to get new clients, I have done it all. You name it: internet marketing, social media marketing, postcards, dinner workshops, TV, radio, health fairs, you name it, and I did it. Now, it wasn't until I wrote my first book that I truly understood the power of becoming an authority or the expert that everyone thinks of regarding that specialty. You see, when you write a book about how your services solve a specific client problem by using a unique method, it can elevate your status and make you the go-to authority for your specific condition. For me, my book not only helped improve the amount of new clients that we got, but also the conversion of those clients for care. My practice went from losing money to well over $1 million in profit within a year, with only 3 staff members. Now, if you like the idea of writing a book to grow your business, now is the time. If you haven't written a book because you didn't know what to write about, or you're not maybe a good writer, or you simply don't have the time, I can help. Writing and publishing a book can be a bit overwhelming when you haven't done it before. Now, I have a 10-step proven system that can help you write a book in 30 days or less with only about 10 minutes a day of work. That's it. I've created a video and a cheat sheet explaining the entire process, and you can get that for free. Just simply click on the link to get started. I'm Dr. Ross Carter, and I look forward to helping you write your book.